Hey, Andrew.
Hey, Polly. If you want to be on Ear Snacks or send us some other thoughts or suggestions or just say hello.
Or get some music or buy a t-shirt, just like buy a cool rainbow-colored shaker.
We have cool rainbow-colored shakers?
We do.
Have you been holding out on me?
I forgot to put them on the website. Let's put them up before everybody goes to there. Or if you're a parent and you're interested in some of the companion articles that we write about how your kids are growing,
visit us at earsnacks.org.
We need to get on with our next business.
That's right. Back to Ear Snacks headquarters for some more snacktastic work. That's what it sounds like in my brain.
In your broken brain? Shh. Top secret record project.
With Andrew and Polly.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Polly. And if you haven't noticed, Ear Snacks has been taking a little break. But we are so excited for some new episodes that will start back up this week and take you through the summer.
But before we do that, did we get any other power recommendations at earsnacks.org?
Yes, Sammy and JJ said that I should be called Polly the Molly and that my superpower should be flying. Also, Riley from Ocala, Florida, thinks that my superhero name should be Super Smart Brain. I should have 4 powers: running fast, swimming fast, flying fast, and thinking of smart choices.
Ooh, that last one is an incredible power.
We had so many wonderful suggestions from our friends, and everybody voted, and I voted 15 times. So
you stuffed the ballots.
So are you ready to know what my superhero identity is?
Yes, but I'm wondering if everyone could do a drum roll on their knees.
I can do one. Can you do one?
Yes, I can.
Wherever you're listening, can you do one with us?
Okay, let's
Ready?
try.
1, 2, 3.
And Polly's superhero name is...
Laser Looper! But here's the thing. That's my superhero name.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
But I decided that I'm going to take all the powers.
What?
All the ones that everybody suggested.
The powers?
So I can super freeze things.
Yep.
I can use lasers and leave trees. I can nothing.
Oh, I want a nothing. That sounds really
great. I can
great.
do all of it. I got all the superhero powers. So guess what, Sammy and JJ? I can fly too. I'm going to fly. I'm going to laser loop from the tree leaves. I'm going to freeze things. I'm going to nothing. I'm going to...
Wasn't there fireballs? I feel like there was
fireballs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I've got all... You guys. Super George, you better get ready.
Oh no. Polly is even more powerful than before.
You know why I'm also more powerful than before?
Why?
Super George / Andrew.
Why?
I got some really wonderful birthday wishes in from our friends.
You did?
I did. Would you like to hear some of them?
Yes, please.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Sady.
Where are you?
Maryland.
So yesterday was Polly's birthday. Can you say happy birthday?
Happy birthday.
You just had a birthday. How old did you turn?
5.
Yeah. What do you think Polly should wish for her birthday?
Maybe a terrarium.
A terrarium? What is that?
A jar, grass, in it. And what else goes?
A jar with grass growing in it?
It's green, has no flowers on it. What else is going to be going
I don't remember what that plant is. I think it's chia seeds.
Chia seeds. What are chias?
I don't know.
Chias?
What does it look like? This little thing right here.
Bacon.
It looks like bacon.
Yeah.
I think you're looking at the seeds. What else is inside your terrarium?
A bunny and a mushroom.
A bunny and a mushroom.
They're not growing.
They're not growing?
Yeah, the mushroom's not growing.
Are they real?
No. But this stuff is.
What stuff is?
There's some that. This.
You know what's cool about a terrarium? What do you see down here?
Guess what? You can see the roots.
That's pretty cool. How did we build our terrarium?
Soil.
And then?
Sand.
Sand, and then?
Rocks.
That's more?
Soil.
And then we put?
Seeds.
And then what do we have to put inside?
Water.
Water. And then where do we have to put it in our house?
Away from little hands.
Yes, away from your little brothers.
Yeah.
What do plants need to grow? Water and
Sunshine.
sunshine. So, do you think Polly would like one of those?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, they're pretty cool. It's pretty neat to see it growing.
Yeah.
Say, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Can you say, see you later?
See you later.
Aw, thank you, Sadie. I would love a terrarium. Harrison from Madison, Wisconsin thinks that I should wish for a blue guitar and a blue and a rainbow racer.
A blue guitar and a blue and a rainbow racer?
That's what the form submitted on earsnacks.org says. So,
Those are really good suggestions, Harrison. But shh, don't tell Polly about the blue. I'm gonna get her a blue for her next birthday. Shh, it's our secret.
what was that? What was that?
Oh,
What did
nothing,
you-
nothing. Just talking to Harrison. No big deal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for all the birthday wishes, friends.
You guys are so nice.
You're swell. You're so swell. I had a swell birthday.
You did.
I did.
That's
Thank
so
you.
great.
Oops, Andrew, I forgot one superhero suggestion, but it sort of crosses over as a birthday wish because I wish it for my real life also.
Okay, this is a message for Polly. We had a superhero idea for you. What is it, Betula?
A tortilla girl has her cape spin
Wait,
on.
say, is it Tortilla Girl?
Yeah.
Say it again.
Tortilla girl.
Okay, and what's her power?
Her power is to wrap bad guys up in tortillas, and she can shoot cheese out of her fingers.
Cheese out of her fingers. Okay, and does she have a special outfit or costume?
Her cape is a tortilla,
Her cape is a giant tortilla. Okay.
and she can wrap bad guys up in
What
quesadillas.
about shoot beans? Can she shoot beans?
No.
Okay,
never
but
mind.
also, can she make regular tortillas if her snack needs a convenient way to carry it?
Yeah.
I can shoot cheese from my fingers. I get to wear a tortilla cape. I can make tortillas. I can wrap bad guys up in tortillas. No beans, though. No beans out of my fingers.
So cool.
And did you know I even have my own superhero theme?
Looper, crazy hooper, yellow lello, cello dello, 80 yellow bellow, basket hasket, lasket dasket, laser looper, daisy duper, blocks and hops, hops and ducks. That was it.
That was good.
Laser looper, daisy duper, rhyming stymin', anything you anything, shoes and foozin'.
La la Lulu.
No, la 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 la.
Oh, la 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 la.
Mogi fogy.
That was a great song. Laser Lupa, Laser Lupa, Laser Lupa, Laser Lupa, Laser Lupa,
Breezy breezy, breezy easy, breezy easy, breezy treezy, treezy breezy, bonky bonky, flunky flunky. Thank you, Betula the ruler.
She goes to school.
She liked the band Bela
You know you can't fool her.
when she watching Ferris Bula.
Laser Lupa.
Thank you, Betula, for my awesome theme song.
Thank you, B.
And thank you, everyone who sent in their suggestions for my superhero name, my superhero identity, and my super birthday wishes.
And super birthday fishes.
Super George, the fishes are busy. They're eating their lima bean lunch
Oh.
and pizza.
My bad. Boom chick, ba chicka doom chick, ba chicka doom chick, ba chicka doom.
Ba-bum, ba-ba-ba, boom,
Chick, ba chicka doom chick, ba chicka doom chick,
ba chicka, boom, chicka, ka-ka-ka, boom.
boom chick, ba chicka pew.
What, you never sing your own theme music?